Today I'm painting a cropped version of Van Gogh's famous sunflowers. So here I'm toning the canvas with yellow, which is the overall color of this painting. I thin the paint with mineral spirits so that I can paint thicker paint on top later on. I use a thin burnt sienna just to place the major shapes. This will be painted over, so don't worry about making a detailed drawing. I usually start with my dark colors first. Van Gogh is known for his thick sculptural brushwork called impasto. You need to load a lot of paint on your brush for this technique. Wipe your brush before changing colors. You don't really need to rinse it out in the mineral spirits every time. Just wipe it off with a paper towel. You want the paint to be thick but not watered down. When putting the paint down, just use a light touch and don't rub or scrub the paint into the canvas. Just put it down and leave it alone. It's okay if the colors mix some on the canvas. Van Gogh did this often. He also used pure color, sometimes right out of the tube. Keep filling in your shapes with the brush strokes, painting in the direction of the forms. It may take a few layers, but try to vary the directions of your brush strokes. Don't overthink this. Van Gogh just painted from his heart. Soon you will have your canvas covered with colorful impasto brush strokes in the style of Van Gogh.